In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to remove the price from a product on Squarespace, a popular website building and hosting service. Begin by visiting the Squarespace website. As the internet gives you access to a world of knowledge and opportunities, Squarespace serves as an incredible tool for showcasing your business or personal work to the world, and its user-friendly interface allows you to create and manage your online presence with ease. Once you are on this website, your next step is to find the Pages option on the interface. This is located on the left side of the screen. A simple click on it opens up your site's content and structure. The Pages panel in Squarespace is your starting point for adding pages to your site and organizing them. After locating and clicking Pages, your next task is to select your shop or store from which you would like to remove prices. Squarespace allows you to create multiple stores on a single website. Hence, you would have to determine precisely which one needs price alteration. Click on your selected store or shop, and your site navigation should extend showing all the pages under the selected store. This part is highly crucial as it determines which product prices will be removed. In the next step, you need to click on a specific option called Custom Code. This powerful feature sets Squarespace apart from many other website building platforms, as it grants its users a high level of flexibility and customization. It allows you to run HTML code, embed external content, and even add interactive features to your site. When you click on Custom Code, a text box will appear. Here, you need to paste the custom CS code that you have prepared in advance. This code should be specifically written or generated to hide or remove the product prices. If you are unfamiliar with CSS or coding in general, don't fret. There are plenty of resources available online to guide you, or you could seek help from a professional. After pasting the code, all you need to do is apply the changes by clicking on Done, and there you have it. You've successfully removed the price from a product on your Squarespace site. Now, your chosen product will be displayed without the price on your website. It's quite an easy and efficient procedure, isn't it? Tasks like these, which might seem daunting at first, become quite doable and straightforward when you break them down into these manageable steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.